this table, right? Is that what you wanted work
Yeah.
help with? Okay. Does either graph pass through the origin? So what would it mean to pass through the origin?
Like 0, 0.
Very good. So can you see that the point for 0, 0, you look at your x coordinate and then look at either one of these are 0? That
Yeah.
means that it goes through the origin.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. Y2 doesn't go through the origin. Y2 goes through the point 0, 2. So the y-intercept is 2. But this first one does go through the origin. So yes, y1. Got it?
Yep.
Where does each graph cross the y-axis? Well, crossing the y-axis means that x equals what?
0.
Yeah, x equals 0. So look to the right. Here's your x-axis. Here's your y-axis. To cross the place where it crosses the y-axis is where x equals 0. But y can be whatever, right? But x has to be 0. So this point right here would be 0, 3. This point down here would be -1, 0. I'm sorry, 0, -1. This point way down here would maybe be 0, -10. What's true about all of those points? The x coordinate is equal to 0.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, that's what this line is. That line is not y equals 0. That line is x equals 0. The y-axis is x equals 0. The x-axis is y equals 0.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense? So where does x equal 0? Well, you can see it's right here. So it's 0, 0, and 0, 2. So this is y1, and that's y2. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
And when it says at what point do the two graphs intersect, we'll look at when y1 equals y2. Look for where those two y coordinates are equal to each other. And there might be more than one answer. Do you see where those are equal to each other?
X equals -2 and x equals 1.
Good. So the point would be -2 what?
-2, 4.
Good. And what would the other point be? You said 1, right?
Yeah. 1, 1.
So 1, 1, 1. So those are your 2 points where they intersect.